Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to incorporate the Six Sigma methodology with Zoho Project. First off, you'll need to define your project within Zoho. This involves stating your project's purpose, goals, and timeline. The reason we do this is to set clear expectations about what we'd like to achieve with our Six Sigma efforts. Now that we've done that, it's time to measure. You can use Zoho's built-in analytics to get a baseline of your current performance. This helps us because it allows us to quantify the improvements we make later on. Next up, we'll analyze. Use Zoho's reporting features to identify where the gaps are in your current processes. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This step allows us to pinpoint the areas where Six Sigma can make the most impact. Now on to the improvement stage. This is where you'll implement changes based on the analysis you've done. Let me explain why this matters. This step is crucial because it's where you'll start seeing tangible results from your Six Sigma efforts. Finally, it's time for the control phase. This involves setting up Zoho's automated workflows to maintain the improvements you've made. The reason we do this is to ensure the changes you've made stay in place and continue driving results. And that wraps up the process of incorporating Six Sigma methodology with Zoho Project. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to optimize your project management efforts. Thanks for joining us today.